Anomalous behavior of lithium. Thought lithium belong to alkali metal group number 1 and has most of the characteristics property of metal of group number 1. However, it differs from remaining member of the group in many respects. This is mainly due to the following reason. The first one, the size of the lithium atom and its ion, that is very small. It has high ionization enthalpy and least electropositive character. The polarizing power of lithium plus is quite high due to its small size, which result in the covalent character of their compounds. It has no vacant d orbital in its valence shell. Some of the important characteristics of distinction between lithium and other metals. Lithium is hardest of all the alkali metals. The melting and boiling point of lithium are much higher than those of other elements of group number 1. Lithium is less reactive as compared to other metals and it does not get tarnished readily in air. Lithium form only monoxides with oxygen, while sodium form peroxide and other elements form superoxides. The salt of lithium have lower ionic character due to its high polarizing power. It can readily react with nitrogen to form lithium nitrite. Only lithium combined with carbon and silicon to form carbide and silicides. Lithium hydroxide and carbonate are unstable and decompose on heating to give lithium oxides, while the rest of the family members are quite stable and do not decompose. Upon heating lithium nitrate, it gives nitrogen dioxide and oxygens. While sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate upon heating, they will give sodium nitrite and oxygen. Lithium hydride is more stable as compared to hydride of other alkali metals. Lithium chloride and nitrate are soluble in alcohol, while the salt of sodium are insoluble in alcohol. Lithium hydroxide is much less basic. Lithium fluoride, carbonate, hydroxide, oxalate are strongly soluble in water. The last one, lithium ion and its compound are more heavily hydrated than those of sodium. Diagonal relationship. It has been observed that some element of group number seconds show similar properties with element of group number third present diagonally to each other. Although they belong to the different group, and this is known as diagonal relationship. So this similarity in properties of different elements present diagonally are called diagonal relationship. In this case, lithium having similar property with the magnesium, beryllium having with the aluminium, and boron having with the silicons. Cause of diagonal relationship. As we move from left to right in a period, the lactopositive character decrease, and while going down a group, lactopositive character increase. Therefore, when we can move diagonally, the two opposing tendencies, that is decrease and increase, almost cancel out, and lactopositive character is almost same. The second one, polarizing power. On moving from left to right in a period, the ionic charge increase while the ionic size decrease. Thus, it will causing an increase in polarizing power from left to right. On other hand, on moving down a group, ionic charge remain the same while the ionic size increase and therefore polarizing power decrease. While on moving diagonally, these two opposite changes along a period and along a group are cancelled out, and therefore the two elements have almost similar polarizing power. So when we can move diagonally, the electropositive character and polarizing power, that is remain same. Diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. Lithium, which is quite anomalous in characteristics as far as alkali metal are concerned, exhibit diagonal similarity with magnesium, which is the second member of the group number 2 present in the third period. So let us consider the common characteristics of two elements. The first one, the atomic radii of lithium, that is 1.23 angstrom, while in case of magnesium it is 1.60. The ionic radii of lithium, positive, it is 0.76 angstrom, which is quite close to magnesium 2 plus, 0.72 angstroms. Both these metals are quite hard in nature. The electronegativity of lithium, that is 1, and for magnesium it is 1.2, are not much different. Both lithium plus and magnesium 2 plus ion have polarizing power of almost same magnitude. Both lithium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide are weak bases. Lithium form monoxide and magnesium also prefer to form only monoxides. The carbonate of both the element evolved carbon dioxide on heating. If we can heat lithium carbonate, lithium oxide and carbon dioxide, that will evolve. Similarly, magnesium carbonate on heating, magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide is less.